Most shower squeegees secretly destroy your glass. I tested 20 plus in 2026. Only 6 passed. The number 1 pick shocked me. And number 3? It's under $10 but beats $50 brands. All product links are in the description. Like and subscribe for more. Let's expose the truth, starting now. Asterisk. Number 1. Gütewerk Rubber Shower Squeegee. The Gütewerk Rubber Shower Squeegee is our top choice because it is thoughtfully designed and delivers a streak-free finish every time. Its super strong suction hook easily adheres to any smooth surface, including glass, tiles, and window panes. We love that you can remove, reattach, and reposition the squeegee as needed, which is especially helpful if you have a larger shower. This squeegee offers 3 installation options: a suction cup, a silicone hook that hangs over shower doors, or a detachable hanger that works with any existing hook. It's worth noting that the silicone hook is suitable for glass walls between 6 and 12 millimeters thick, but may not fit wider glass panels. This one-piece squeegee features a stainless steel core, ensuring durability and preventing bending or breaking with extended use. The silicone exterior makes it comfortable to hold and protects it from accidental drops. Unlike some other options, this squeegee has no exposed metal pieces, so you don't have to worry about scratching delicate surfaces. The soft silicone blade effectively removes soap scum, water drops, and hard water buildup, leaving your glass spotless and streak-free. On top of all that, this squeegee has a sleek and stylish design that adds a touch of sophistication to any bathroom. It comes in 5 matte finishes, including classic black, white, and gray, as well as blue and green, to give your space a pop of color, and is also available in 4 blade widths, 9, 11, 13, or 15 inches. Number 2. AmazerBath Squeegee. If you're looking for a budget-friendly squeegee that doesn't skimp on performance, this offering from AmazerBath doesn't disappoint. It comes in 2 sizes, a 10-inch or 12-inch blade, providing flexibility depending on the size of your space. The curved handle is designed for comfort, but at 6.4 inches, 2 inches smaller than our best overall, it is short and offers less grip and reach. While the plastic handle might not be the most durable option, the rigid silicone blade easily cleans glass and other textured surfaces, making it a great choice for tiles with grout lines. Just keep in mind that this tool has a few metal components, including the frame and screws connecting the handle. While the metal is fairly well concealed, it's still a good idea to use caution with delicate materials. Another perk? This squeegee comes with an adhesive hook for easy installation, no tools required. All you need to do is peel off the backing and stick it to a clean, dry wall. Plus, it's available in 4 neutral colors that blend seamlessly with your bathroom's decor scheme. Number 3. WONDAY Shower Squeegee. With an impressive 13-inch handle and a wide 12-inch blade, the WONDAY Shower Squeegee covers more surfaces in one pass. One of its standout features is the blade's 360-degree rotation, which allows you to access all the nooks and crannies around your bathtub. This versatile tool isn't just for the shower either, it's ideal for cleaning your car windshield or tackling streaky windows throughout the home. It's worth noting that the silicone blade is on the softer side, which means you'll have to apply some elbow grease to achieve a streak-free shine. Fortunately, the long silicone handle has an ergonomic, non-slip grip that makes it easy to maneuver without any discomfort. It comes in 4 color combinations, with the option to mix and match for a personalized touch. One thing to keep in mind is that the larger size can make it more challenging to store if your shower is small. While it doesn't come with additional hooks or adhesives, the built-in hook makes hanging it a whole lot easier, though it will occupy more space than compact options. That said, if you have a large shower or big windows, you'll want to make room for this extra long squeegee. Number 4. simplehuman Foldaway Squeegee. If you have a small bathroom, the last thing you need is a bulky shower squeegee that takes up precious real estate. This model features a unique design that allows the handle to fold up flat for compact storage. Simply twist the blade toward the handle, and it becomes barely noticeable when hung on the wall. Plus, it has an attractive stainless steel finish that adds a sleek touch to your space. For added convenience, this squeegee comes with a suction cup, making it easy to hang on a wall or shower door for quick access. The only downside is that the suction may weaken over time, causing it to fall off. The good news is the handle is made of durable die-cast zinc, and the squeegee is backed by a 5-year warranty, ensuring years of reliable use. Beyond its clever, space-saving design, the 10-inch blade allows you to tackle tough soap scum with minimal effort. Like our best budget, the 6.4-inch handle is fairly short, which could be uncomfortable for some users. However, gripping it closer to the blade allows you to apply more pressure, resulting in a dry, streak-free surface. One thing to keep in mind, however, is that this compact design comes at a higher price than some of our other selections. Number 5. HIWARE All-Purpose Shower Squeegee. A shower squeegee is not the most visually appealing product, so if you're going to keep it on display in your bathroom, you can't go wrong with this stylish offering. The HIWARE All-Purpose Shower Squeegee comes in 4 sleek finishes: silver, brass, our favorite, bronze, and black, so you can choose the perfect match for your bathroom's hardware. It also comes with a set of adhesive hooks that give you the flexibility to store it almost anywhere. This squeegee is far from just an aesthetic upgrade, it delivers top-notch performance too. Available in 3 blade sizes, 10, 12, and 14 inches, you can choose the ideal size for your specific needs. Keep in mind the longer handle options make it easier to tackle larger areas, allowing you to achieve a streak-free clean with minimal effort. It's also worth noting that the blade is made from rubber, which is most effective on glass, though it still works well enough on tile. That said, it might not be as effective on textured surfaces, and the 10-inch blade might be too big for smaller nooks and crannies. Despite these caveats, you can count on the HIWARE All-Purpose Shower Squeegee to get the job done with style and efficiency. Number 6. Richmirth Shower Squeegee. For bathroom tile that requires extra scrubbing or elbow grease, you'll need a sturdy squeegee that won't bend or break under pressure. Richmirth Squeegee's stainless steel core offers excellent durability, and its silicone coating makes it safe for all surfaces. Plus, it won't damage tile made of stone, porcelain, or ceramic if it's accidentally dropped. We like that the rubberized blade is flexible, allowing you to clean textured surfaces and grout lines with ease. The handle has a rubberized grip to prevent it from slipping out of wet hands. However, it is relatively short, at just a little over 7 inches, which limits maneuverability for some users. When you're done, you can store it on the handy silicone hook that's included. The hook is designed for shower doors that are 0.45 to 1 inch thick, which will fit most doors, unless you have a wider frame. This versatile squeegee is durable enough for indoor and outdoor use. It can be tucked in a glove box and used to wipe away excess mixture from your windshield during chilly winter weather. It's also great for cleaning other household surfaces such as mirrors and windows. It is available in 2 sizes, 9-inch or 11-inch blade, and 6 colors, including bright pink and green, to add some fun to your cleaning routine. That's the 6 best shower squeegees of 2026. The wrong one ruins your shower. The right one saves you hours of cleaning. All links to buy are in the description below. Hit like if you're upgrading your squeegee tonight. Share this with someone who still uses paper towels on glass. Subscribe for more 2026 bathroom tests. I'll see you in the next one.